Hello and welcome to NexgenBots.com. So today we will demonstrate a bot which is capable of selling your products in different channels. So since this is a bot, this can be deployed in multiple channels. For example, Facebook Messenger, Slack, Twilio. You can also integrate in your mobile applications and websites. So we will demonstrate two scenarios where the first one is integrated with the web application or a website which you see at the moment on the screen. And the second is you deploy the bot in Facebook Messenger, which we will do next. So briefly, this bot takes order of pizza, pasta, or calzone. So that's what we have in the menu for the moment for this demonstration. And you can order, you can say, I want a large pizza now, or you can say, I want three large pizza tomorrow at 3 p.m. So let's see this bot in action. So I'm saying I want a large pizza now. So the bot is intelligent to understand that this is just one pizza, and because it's now, that means it needs to be delivered as soon as possible. So it should ask me what attributes which I've not mentioned to the bot, which is whether it's a veg or a non-veg. So I say veg, so it'll ask me what kind of a crust, let's say thin, and then it asks me what kind of topping. So let's say cheese, and it would ask for a confirmation saying that, hey, your price is 12 pounds for one pizza. So I'll just say, okay. And it gives me this order ID and it's asking me whether I would like to provide a feedback, to which I would say yes. And I would say, okay, you have done well. So it's a good feedback and thank you. So this is the first part of the demonstration where you've seen the bot in action, um, where it's capable of taking an order sitting in your website without any assistance. And now this order is going to be persisted in backend, and you can really look at those orders and start sending your delivery. So next we'll take a look at the same bot which is deployed in Facebook Messenger. Okay, so this is the second part of the demo the where I'm going to show you how the bot behaves in Facebook Messenger. It's a bit different than what you find in the traditional text-based messaging channels. So Facebook and I think many other messaging channels would start showing cards. So what I mean by that is that when you order something, so let's see this in action. I think it would be better demonstrated once we go and interact with the bot. So let's say I do the usual small talk and say hello. And this is the card that I was talking about, so it'll throw me something visual and I can click on those options rather than typing those options. So let's say I still want a pizza, and again it's throwing me a card. So let's say I choose veg. I'll just keep going because this is kind of self-explanatory. One pizza. I can say now. So now it's going to throw me a confirmation saying that you ordered one pizza, which is 9 pounds, and is asking me yes or no. Let me say yes. So it should throw me the order ID, which is persisted in the backend. And again, like you saw in the other messaging channel, it's asking me for the feedback. So I'll click yes. So I'll say I've done well today. So let's say good. And it says thank you and bye. So your order is placed in the backend. So I'll show you briefly about how this is persisted in the backend database. Okay, so this is a final part of the demonstration which only shows you that all the orders which have been placed from different channels, let's say from the website or from Facebook Messenger, are indeed persisted in the backend database. So from a technical perspective, what's happening is that whenever the bot gives a confirmation, it is handed off to an API which calls a backend service which uh, which persists the data in a NoSQL database. So it'll take a moment for the table to load up. Yes, it is loaded up. So you can see the order number on the far left and followed by other attributes. And needless to say, you can capture many more attributes as you may choose to, and which might be needed for your business, and take further action on that. So that concludes the demo. So in summary, what we have shown you is that you can build a bot which um, can sell your products in different channels. You don't really need to be present in those channels and have a human interacting with your customers. And the good thing is that you build it once, and the cloud platform really makes it very easy to deploy this in multiple channels. So I hope that was useful, and thank you for watching this presentation. Have a good day.